والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون.
There have been many articles and videos circulating to suggest that the verse related to the expansion of the universe is a modern translation that is not supported by the Qur'an commentaries and the Arabic language. They state that Muslim apologists have translated it this way to make it seem miraculous. Now the fact is, the expansion of the universe is one of the most imposing discoveries of modern science. Today it is a firmly established concept, and the only debate centers around the way this is taking place. So this will be a two-part series that will explore this verse according to the classical Qur'an commentaries as well as the Arabic language, including classical Arabic dictionaries. So please stay tuned for that.